The last thing I forgot to talk about in the video was you always want to make sure you run drill bits down your holes, because these things are constantly plugged up. See, that only goes in there that deep. That actually goes in deeper. Or is it? See the carbon coming out of it? See the carbon? This one's carboned up. So you got to blow that out. It's not going to go through. So if you look inside the head down here in between the fins, see how this is made in here? So one head goes this way, the other head goes that way. That's why that boss is in there. That's what this gallery is for. And then these ones over here come down from the top. These ones over here, they go in there like this. And they don't all three go in one spot. These two intersect each other, and then they got a little jig-jag that's about this far apart and it catches the other one. So it's kind of a round-and-round way of going. So this one here, I feel like it's a little bit plugged in this one side. That might be all the way down. I had a bunch of these that were plugged up. I was going to show them in the videos, but I forgot to. Yeah, that one's definitely plugged. Dirt Dobbler got in that one. See, it only goes in there that far. That's plugged. Yeah, okay, that one's open because it only goes in the height of the drill bit. So, on that side. There's a bunch of these are plugged up, not all of them. Yeah. There's one. Oh yeah. See? See the crop on the drill bit? That's Dirt Dobbler stuff there. But you see carbon in there, you know, the black carbon in there. So, anyway, you got to make sure you clean all these holes out. I've seen a lot of heads rebuilt that don't have oil flow to the rocker on it because they're coked up solid with burnt carbon. You overheat the head, and then the oil gets in there, turns into goo, and then the goo turns into carbon, and it plugs up the oil gallery. So it's a pretty common problem. So it's just something that you run across frequently. I think this head here was plugged up too. Won't turn no more. Must not have been that one. One of these early heads was. Yep, that's good. That one's open all the way down. A lot of these I blew them out a couple times and finally cleared up. Blew a bunch of crap out. Then I went and put the drill bit in there and I had a bunch of carbon I was cutting through because there was a hole down there through it, but the hole was half plugged. You know, it had a hole down the center of it and it was all cooked up on the outside edge. But anyway, get yourself a long drill. Check all your galleries, make sure they're all open, because they definitely get plugged up. No doubt about it. Alright, so there you go. Those heads over there are kind of weird. All these late heads are made pretty much the same. These early heads, there's a couple variations, but they're all made about the same. Those ones there are the ones that are weird. So, first 2 years of O-ring heads. There you go. There's always got to be something in there different. And those are it. There you go.